Wind speed. Television, on which day during TVJ's primetime news is the series Emmanuel?
Wednesdays.
A Ray of Hope aired. It's Mondays. That's incorrect. Sports. Visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. She's national netballer Romelda Aiken. Bible knowledge. Which two Old Testament characters appeared with Jesus at the Emmanuel?
Elijah and Moses.
Elijah and Moses.
At the Transfiguration. That's correct. Science. What kind of pollution is present when garbage turns up Greater Portmore?
Water pollution.
In our seas and rivers. That's correct. English language. Listen carefully and spell the word air as Emmanuel.
H-E-I-R.
H-E-I-R.
As used in the sentence, the man died without leaving an heir to his huge fortune. That's correct. Music. What nationality is the artiste Sia? Greater Portmore?
American.
American.
That's incorrect. She's Australian. General knowledge. Which hurricane affected the U.S. state of Hawaii in August 2018? Emmanuel?
Hurricane Florence.
Hurricane Florence.
That's incorrect. It's Hurricane Lane. Local affairs. The DBJ is a local bank which funds businesses. What does the abbreviation DBJ stand for?
Democratic Development Bank of Jamaica.
Time's up. Nope, the bell came first. Time's up. It's the Development Bank of Jamaica. Mathematics. What is 686 rounded to the nearest 10? Greater Portmore.
690.
690.
That's correct.